Now, what are some of the factors that may influence optimal organizational structure? Factors influencing optimal organizational structure. Factors influencing optimal organizational structure. So what happens in organizations, Lana, is that the kind of decisions that are supposed to be made within a given working environment may be influenced by certain factors. So what are some of these factors? So some of these factors may be, number one, the size of an organization. The size of an organization. You may, for example, observe that if an organization is composed of, say, few employees or a few workers or a few members, then the kind of decisions that will be made in that particular organization may be very different and may be influenced by the size, because those making decisions may be aware of what is happening within almost all the areas within that particular organization. So that decision will be informed by the environment within which the decision is being made based on the size. Then number two, technology that is in use. Technology that is in use. Technology that is in use. So if an organization is having modern and high-tech technology, then that organization, regardless of even how big that organization is, an individual on the tap of a button can be able to share information and can also be able to get communication from others. And also the aspect of leadership style. Leadership style. So the style that is adopted in an organization or within the organizational structure can lead to optimal. For example, if an organization is using a consultative method of leadership, it means the kind of decisions to be made will have to take into consideration consultations. But if a leader decides they are going to take autocratic decisions, then they would basically make decisions without consultation. So that again may influence the kind of arrangements. Then there is the element of adaptability to change. Adaptability to change. So there are some organizations in which they adapt fast to changes that are taking place. So if an organization adapts to changes quickly, then they don't hold on to previous practices they were having, then that may also influence the optimal organizational structure and ultimately the leadership that may take place in that kind of an organization.